Start from this 2 color. This is more towards beige color, and this is more ash gray, and it's good for contour as well. So I'm going to mix this 2, and then where you apply is, when you look at yourself sideways, look at the mirror. If you look at my eyelid over here, here is the most puffy, it's quite thick eyelid, like a little bit hooded, right? So to get this color, start from the most puffy area here, like that, and then just blend the inner area. Towards the end, sweep from out corner towards the end of eyebrow. Then extend it a little bit inward, like that. So hold this area where my eyes, the most puffy area, got darkened compared to the rest. If you compare this eye to this eye, you feel this eye is more lifted. And then same, mix this 2 color, then apply between the inner corner to the top, the highest point of your top eyelid, between this area in the middle over here. Let me find the angle. Okay, can you guys see here? I actually have a little bit of puffy eyelid hooded over here. Okay, then you get this color, apply here, like that. You already can see this helped to shrink it in. Start blending. Then connect this with your eyebrow. Don't worry if it looks a little bit messy, we will use lighter color to clean it up. Then just merge these 2 colors, connect with your nose contour. Then I use this more ashy color to finish the nose contour. The nose looks a little bit too much and dirty, right? Then use a clean brush just to blend it out a little bit. Then same 2 colors, very easy. These 2 colors you don't have to use from, like this palette I'm using is Vanity Makeup. You can just choose any similar colors from your own eyeshadow palettes. Those 2 colors are fairly neutral and earthy, so it should be very easy to find dupes. However, the main thing is to make sure the powder is easy blendable. You don't want those dark color and become patchy on your eyes. Then same color, apply the lower lash line, more towards out corner. Drag it down a little bit for additional 2 to 3 centimeters. Again, link this up and down. Intensify the color for the out corner. Extend it down. And then use a smaller brush, dip into the lightest color, matte lightest color, like any cream color if you have from the palette. If not, just use a setting powder. Then to clean up this area between the nose shading and the eyeshadow color applied above your double eyelid. So you start from inner corner and sweep up. Like that. It's more defined the nose shape. Then same cream color just to clean the brow bone. And then do the eyeliner before we finish the eye look. So I use a brown color, dark brown colored gel liner to do the waterline first, and then to wing out a little bit. A lot of you ask me how to do the wing. I will do a separate video with you guys. Let me finish mine as I need to get closer to a mirror. Okay, we do one eye first, then we compare with the other. And then let's adjust the eye shape. Use a small brush, dip into this dark brown color. So what you do is pretty much just smudge the wing you actually applied to make it more smooth. Don't worry about the blending just yet. Make sure you get the color to the area you wanted first. So can you guys see better shape adjusted over here? So here I add more darker color to actually visually let this puffy area goes in. So make my eye shape goes better, smoother. And then smudge the entire upper waterline. Looks a bit patchy, right? Don't worry about it. Use a fluffy brush, gently blending out the area where you applied the dark brown color. Same principle, small brush, dip into the dark brown color, intensify the out corner at your lower lash line. Now again, extend it a little bit downwards. Join those two together, and then squeeze a little bit of fake eye back. Get this color intensify a little bit to add more shading color. And then use a shimmer color. I'm going to mix this two. Then apply just on top of your eyeball. It's like your finger literally touch your eyeball. Don't extend up too much. Just like that. How beautiful, beautiful. Then into corner. And then use the lightest cream color to just highlight the fake eye back. Can you now see the difference of this side compared to this side? Let me finish with the lashes, then we see the two side face difference. Can you see the power of the makeup? Can you see this side of the face? It looks way much different to this side. Especially the eye shape has been enlarged, pretty much a double size. But this type of eye look is so easy, so simple, require minimal effort and minimal requirements on the eyeshadow color itself. Once you get used to your own eye shape, you will kind of know where to add what color. Then you can mix and match. You can change those more earthy neutral color into more colorful colors by using exactly the same technique. Hope you like today's video. Hope you find this eye look is actually simple, straightforward, but effective. Please do give it a try and leave your comments down below if you feel it is easy enough in a way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you on my next one.